Look, we all use ChatGPT. It's an amazing tool, but let's be real, it's kind of lazy. It just sits there, blinking at you, waiting for a prompt. It's an oracle, not a worker. But that era literally just ended. OpenAI just acquired the team behind a viral open source project called OpenClaw, also known as Clawdbot. And it completely changes the game from chatbots to AI agents that actually do your work for you. Let's talk about how this crazy project started, why it broke the internet, and what it means for us. This whole thing started back in November 2025 with an Austrian developer named Peter Steinberger. Peter is an open source veteran. He built and sold PSPDFkit years ago. But OpenClaw? That started as a weekend burnout project. He just wanted a way to text Anthropic's Claude model from his phone without opening a web browser. He literally just wanted to check on his personal tasks while he was traveling in Marrakesh. But he accidentally built the foundation for a massive personal AI infrastructure. He initially called the project Clawdbot, complete with a little space lobster mascot. It was a clever play on Anthropic's Claude model. Well, Anthropic's lawyers didn't think it was as funny as the developer community did, and they hit him with trademark complaints. So, during a 5 a.m. Discord session, the community scrambled and renamed it to Moltbot, because, you know, lobsters molt their shells. But that name was clunky and didn't really roll off the tongue. 3 days later, they finally locked in the name OpenClaw. So why did OpenClaw get 180,000 stars on GitHub practically overnight? Because it's a persistent agent that runs locally on your own hardware. It doesn't live in a cloud tab you close and forget about. It lives on your Mac Mini. It remembers your context, and it hooks into your Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, and Terminal all at once. And the stuff people achieved with it is insane. A staff engineer at Datadog named AJ Stuyvenberg used his OpenClaw agent to buy a Hyundai Palisade. He literally told the AI to find the car, email dealerships, negotiate the out-the-door price, and handle the counteroffers. The AI even made up excuses for why it couldn't jump on a phone call with the car dealers. It ended up scoring the car for $4,200 under sticker price, entirely hands-off. Other people were using it to run background security audits, manage stock portfolios, and write full code bases while they slept. There was even a spin-off social network called Moltbot, where only these AI agents were allowed to talk to each other. It was absolute chaos, but brilliant. But with great power comes massive security risks. Giving an AI shell access to your computer is incredibly spicy. Within weeks, users were getting their API keys scraped by info stealers because they didn't properly secure their local setups. Plus, running the infrastructure was costing Peter up to $20,000 a month out of pocket. Enter Sam Altman. In mid-February 2026, OpenAI swooped in. They acqui-hired Peter Steinberger to lead their new Personal Agents division. They want to bring this proactive, multi-agent capability directly into ChatGPT. But here is the massive win for the developer community. OpenAI is keeping OpenClaw open source. They moved it to an independent foundation and are financially backing its continued development. We are moving past the point where we just talk to AI. We are handing it the keys to the keyboard. So, are you ready to let an open source agent negotiate your next car or handle your client emails? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. I am Wakas, and you are watching the Martech Goats channel. For more informative videos, like, follow, subscribe, and share this channel in your circle.